prospect of buying a new motorcycle is so exciting, you can feel it in your gut. Whether you're young or young at heart, you can head down to your local dealership and pick out a factory new bike and live out your dream of having the ride of your life. However, finding the best bike that fits within your limited budget is never easy. In fact, it can be as draining as trying to figure out which car to get. Everything looks perfect with almost similar specs and performance. And while pricing and everything have gone up, it's still possible to find a range of fun brand new motorcycles with an MSRP under $6,000. So first on the list is the Honda CRF 300L. Honda calls this a dirt bike that's street legal, and that seems like a pretty accurate way to describe it. While you could of course simply thrash it around off-road, it's also an incredibly capable and accessible bike for adventure riding. There's a 21-inch wheel up front and an 18-inch wheel in the rear, disc brakes at both ends and a ground clearance of 11.2 inches, and untold amounts of fun and adventure waiting for you in between. The base CRF 300L comes in at an MSRP of $5,249 and the ABS version costs $5,549. This is powered by a liquid-cooled 286cc single-cylinder engine. Now, if you want a tiny but fun sport bike that urges you to ring the throttle wide open and yet miraculously probably feel like you're going much faster than you actually are, then the KTM RC390 may be the right one for you. It's light, it's nimble, and you definitely shouldn't let its small size fool you into thinking it's less of a blast to ride than it actually is. It's powered by a liquid-cooled 373cc single, making an acclaimed 42.9 horsepower and 27.2 pound-feet of torque. The MSRP for the RC390 starts at $5,799. The new BMW G310R is a go-anywhere, do-anything kind of naked bike. It's effortlessly agile and fun on twisty roads, and its seating position strikes a tidy balance between upright and crouched. It's sporty enough to be entertaining, but not enough to totally stress out your wrists, which may be perfect actually for everyday riding. Throw a top box on the back and you can carry some stuff too. It's powered by a liquid-cooled dual overhead camshaft 313cc single, making a claimed 34 horsepower at 9,250 rpm and 20.6 pound-feet of torque at 7,500 rpm. The G310R starts at an MSRP of $4,995. Now, if you want Street Fighter looks and styling at a price that's pretty easy on the wallet, on a zippy little bike with agile handling, the Kawasaki Z400 is a great choice. It comes in a choice of two colorways for the American market: pearl robotic white, metallic matte graphite steel gray, or candy lime green metallic spark black. Powered by a liquid-cooled dual overhead cam, 399cc parallel twin engine producing a maximum torque of 28 pound-feet at 8,000 rpm. MSRP for the Z400 starts at $5,199. Both of the Husqvarna 401s offer variations on a minimalist design theme, but each will take you down a slightly different path. Choose the Vitpillant 401 if you like more aggressive ergos with clip-ons and a seating position that encourages you to crouch down and plunge headlight first through the crazy curvy bits. But if you rather sit up a little taller and survey your surroundings from a more commanding position, choose the Swatpillant 401 instead. The same power plant, two different riding experiences. Both the 401s starts at $5,399 and it's powered by a liquid-cooled 373cc single-cylinder engine. For dual sport adventurous ruggedness with a dash of classic utilitarian style, look no further than the Royal Enfield Himalayan. It's made for the kind of rides you want to take sitting or standing up. Ground clearance is 8.6 inches and it comes with a 21-inch wheel up front and a 17-inch wheel in the rear. It also comes with dual-channel ABS as standard, with the rear ABS switchable if you'd rather turn it off for some expeditions. For 2022, the Himalayan comes in a choice of 6 colorways: granite black, rock red, lake blue, gravel grey, pine green or mirage silver. It's powered by an air-cooled single overhead cam 411cc single, making a modest 24.3 horsepower at 6,500 rpm and 23.6 pound-feet of torque between 4,000 and 4,500 rpm. MSRP for the Himalayan starts at around $5,299. So here are 6 excellent new bikes for under $6,000 that you can start phoning your local dealers to ask about. Let me know which one would you consider if you're looking for a new bike under $6,000. Leave your comments down below. If you like this video, then smash that like button, and if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.